In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a typing effect in Canva. This simple animation can make your designs feel more dynamic and engaging, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. First, open your project in Canva and make sure you're on the page where you want the typing effect to appear. If you haven't added any text yet, go ahead and add a text box by choosing any of the text options available, such as a heading, subheading, or body text. Type in the message you want to appear with the typewriter effect. It could be a title, a short phrase, or a call to action. Try to keep it fairly short so the animation feels smooth and easy to read. Next, click directly on the text box you want to animate. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and the editing handles around your text. This step is important because Canva will only apply the animation to the element that's currently selected. If nothing is selected, you won't see the right options. Once your text is selected, look at the top of the screen for the animate option. Click on animate and a panel will open, usually on the left or at the top, showing different animation styles. These are grouped into categories like page animations and element animations, so make sure you're working with the options that apply to the selected text element, not the whole page, unless you want everything animated together. In the animation panel, scroll through the text animation options until you find the one called typewriter. Click on typewriter to apply it to your text. You should see a quick preview right away, where your text appears one character at a time, just like someone is typing it out. Take a moment to play the full design from the top using the preview or play button so you can see how the typing effect fits with the rest of your design. If the effect feels too fast or too slow, look for any available timing or duration controls in the animation settings and adjust them until it feels right. When you're happy with the result, you can continue designing as usual or export your project as a video or GIF so the typing effect is preserved.